This digital product has made at least $92,500, and in this video, I'm going to break down how you can use Canva to do the same. I'll also take you through 4 other ways you can use Canva to make money online. Method 1. The first way to make money with Canva is by selling printable planners like these. Printable planners are incredibly popular on Etsy and Pinterest, especially at the start of a new year. People love having beautifully designed sheets they can print at home and use for everything from weekly schedules to meal prep. To make something like this, pick the type of planner that you want to create first. I've seen budget planners being quite popular, so I'm going to go for that. You can also make meal planners, work planners, study planners, and so on. Once you've picked the type of planner you want to create, head to Canva and type it in the search bar. I'm typing in budget planner and then looking through the options. You'll see tons of pre-made templates that you can customize. Click on one that looks clean and modern. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. We can go for this one as an example. Once the template loads, it's time to customize it to make it more original and unique. For this one, I'm happy with the headings and sections in the template, so I'll keep that the same. To make it more unique, I'm going to add some more color and change the font. I'm also going to add icons for each section by clicking on elements and then typing in the image I want. For example, for the title section, I'm going to search for money icons and then pick a nice clean image of money. I'll drag and drop this next to the title and adjust the size. I'll do this for each section until the planner is finished. Once your planner is ready, download it as a high-quality PDF. Click Share, then Download, then choose the PDF option. If you're selling this on Etsy, head over to Etsy's seller dashboard and create a new listing. Add a title like Customizable Printable Weekly Planner, set the price to around $3, and upload your file. Make sure you include high-quality preview images of the planner in your listing. If you're feeling ambitious, create a bundle with different styles or themes, like holiday or wellness-focused planners, and charge more. People love variety, and a bundled product will stand out. Method 2. The second way to earn with Canva is by creating editable Instagram story templates for influencers and small businesses. If you're scrolling through Instagram, you've probably noticed those branded stories that businesses use to share sales or announcements. Many of them buy these templates instead of designing them from scratch, and that's where you come in. Open Canva and search for Instagram story to get started. Choose a template that's already optimized for Instagram's dimensions. Let's say you want to design a sale announcement template for a clothing boutique. Add a bold, eye-catching headline like 50% off this weekend. Change the background color to match a trendy aesthetic. Neutral tones like beige and brown are popular now. Next, include space for a product photo and a call to action button like Shop Now. Canva has drag and drop frames that make this super easy. Just search for frames in the Elements tab and place one where the photo should go. When you're done, download the template as a Canva shareable link. This lets your clients customize the template with their own text and photos. List these templates on Etsy or reach out to businesses directly via Instagram. Send them a message like, "Hi, I noticed your stories could use a refresh, and I designed customizable Canva templates that can save you time. Let me know if you'd like to see some examples." Many small businesses are more than happy to pay for professional-looking templates. Method 3. Next, let's talk about a method you probably haven't seen yet. Selling custom travel itineraries. This one is perfect if you're into travel or just love helping people plan their vacations. Canva's tools make it super easy to create good-looking interactive itineraries. Start by searching for itinerary template in Canva's search bar. Pick a clean template like this. For each day of the itinerary, add detailed suggestions for activities, restaurants, and accommodations. For example, if you're creating a 7-day itinerary for Paris, include popular landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and lesser-known gems like hidden cafes in Montmartre. You can come up with ideas by using a prompt like this in ChatGPT. Show this prompt in ChatGPT, "Give me a 7-day itinerary for first-time travelers to Paris. Include hidden gems and unique activities and spots to make it interesting." This makes the itinerary super useful and worth paying for. Feel free to add more pages to the template if you need the space. You don't have to cram it all into one page. Once your itinerary is complete, download it as a PDF. You can list this on platforms like Etsy or even travel-specific sites like Thatch. If you've taken any trips recently, think about creating itineraries based on your own experiences and photos. Authenticity sells, and people love buying guides from someone who's been there, done that. Method 4. The fourth method is creating YouTube thumbnails for content creators. Thumbnails are what get people to click on videos, and creators are willing to pay a lot of money for designs that stand out and get them more views. You can reach out to these content creators directly on social media to offer your services, or you can list your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, which I'll explain in more detail at the end. To make thumbnails, open Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail to find templates already sized for YouTube's requirements. Let's say you're making a thumbnail for a fitness channel. Start by uploading a high-quality photo of the creator or a relevant image, like dumbbells or a gym. Use Canva's background remover tool to cut out the subject and place them on a bold, colorful background. Add large, contrasting text like 10-minute abs workout, using fonts that are easy to read, even on a small screen. Play around with Canva's shadow and glow effects to make the text pop. Once you're happy, download the thumbnail as a PNG file for the best quality. Method 5. This last method is about designing print-on-demand products like mugs, tote bags, and t-shirts in Canva. Print-on-demand means you design the products and list them on sites like Etsy, but a third-party service handles the printing and shipping, like Printify. Open Canva and search for t-shirt design to get started. Let's say you're creating a mug design. Use Canva's drawing tools to create a simple, trendy design with a witty quote like, "But first, coffee," and an image of a coffee cup. Once you're happy with the design, download it as a PNG file. Then set yourself up on Printify. Follow the instructions to place your design on a t-shirt or mug, and then link it to your Etsy store. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your Etsy store, Printify will physically print the product and ship it to them. Now, here's how you can offer all of these methods as services on Fiverr and turn this into a steady income stream. Fiverr is a freelance platform where you can showcase your skills and connect with clients. Start by creating an account and setting up your profile. Use a professional photo, write a bio that highlights your expertise in the services that you're offering, and list any relevant skills. Then, click on Create a Gig. Choose a catchy title like, "I will design custom YouTube thumbnails to increase your click-through rate," or "I will create branded Instagram story templates for your business," and so on. Then, pick the most relevant category, and in the gig description, explain the service you're offering in detail. Be clear about what clients will receive, whether it's an editable template link, a high-quality PDF, or a PNG. Set your pricing into tiers, a basic option for simple products like a one-page itinerary or just one thumbnail, a standard package for more complex or multiple designs, and a premium package for highly custom branded work. Upload eye-catching samples to your gig gallery. These should show off your best Canva work, like mock-ups of planners, Instagram templates, or thumbnails. Once your gig is live, promote it on social media, in Canva-related Facebook groups, and even on Reddit threads where people talk about freelancing or design. The key is to stand out with your niche skills and consistent quality work. Here's a quick recap to keep things simple. Find a niche, use Canva to design your product, and sell it on platforms where your audience is, like Etsy or Fiverr. At this point, you've learned 5 different ways to make money with Canva: printable planners, Instagram templates, travel itineraries, YouTube thumbnails, and print-on-demand products. Each of these methods has its own audience, so pick the one that excites you the most and get started today. Which of these methods will you be trying out? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.